Okay, I'm gonna make a video about the 30-foot also, the one that can go all the way to the palms, tall trees, and let's do it. I hate video editing, so we're gonna start with unboxing. See what don't get any packaging is not bad. Got this from Walmart, but the seller of this also sells at Amazon. So with this, comes in the bag. It says here 3-pole pruner, so that's the first name. Zipper. Alrighty, it comes with a saw. What I like about this saw is it's like there is a front and end guide. What else comes with another set of blades. Yeah, another set of blades, and the string pruner. You can prune your trees up to this diameter, can go all the way to 30 feet. And the extra blade. Oh, we got two more. Alrighty. So this is pretty straightforward. Screw the bottom. Lock it in place. And there's a rubber handle. So let's go outside. Position first. Get blinded by the sun.